Hi guys, welcome to this video. So today we are recreating one of Nadine's iconic look, Miss Filipina Girl as they call it. So if you want to see me transform from this to this, then keep on watching. So we're going to start with a moisturizer and then just rub that all over our face. And then I'm actually going to clean my eyebrows just so I have a clean base. And then now that it's all cleaned up, we're going to start with our primer. My primer is from Rare Beauty. And this is going to give that shine before our foundation. And then we're going to use our foundation also from Rare Beauty. And if you guys don't know what Rare Beauty is, it's a brand by 꽰ᴜᴜ. And I love using her stuff because it just gives a light to medium coverage, which is perfect for this look. And then we're also going to use her brow gel to create naturally defined brows. So now I'm going to use my Hoola from Benefit to bronze up my face. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to put concealer after using the bronzer just to lighten my cheeks and make my nose appear smaller. Now we're moving on to the eyeliner. She doesn't really have eyeshadow on her picture, so we're just gonna go with Anastasia. And finally, we're gonna start doing my hair. So here's me getting my mirror. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. See you in the next one. Bye.